This is a follow-up on the split airbox video that I did some months ago. I've had the airbox off today to replace the filter, so if you're interested in all things Citroen C1, stay tuned, follow through. Apologies that the production value isn't what you would normally expect. I just happened to be doing this servicing job on the car, and I've got my phone, and hope that you find the information useful. Filtered air goes this way into the crankcase, and in the last video I hypothesized that this split was letting in dirty air, which would then be breathed into the crankcase, and potentially that dirt could do some damage. So here's a couple of views looking straight down that pipe to the insides of the airbox. Dirty air is passing in through here, and I would expect to find some dirt on the insides of these plastic surfaces. So I took a white cotton bud, put a little bit of cleaner on the cotton, put it straight down inside, swabbed it round a little bit. I'm afraid that's the closest I can get, but you can see there's a dark patch on the end of that cotton bud. Well, that shows that there is indeed some dirt on the inside of the plastic surfaces in there, and that would seem to support my hypothesis. If there's some dirt that's got itself trapped on the surface of the smooth plastic, then there must be more dirt that was in that air that passed through into the engine. As I mentioned in the original video, dirt that gets into the engine is the number one cause of wear that will lead to oil consumption. It's the silica content in the dirt that does it. We're only talking of a sample of one car, so that's not statistically significant. I'd really like to hear from people who watch my videos. If you've got a C1, 107 or Aygo with the 1 litre petrol engine, have a look at your airbox and see if it's got a split in it. I'd very much like to know how much of a common problem it is. If you got some value out of this and you liked it, give it a thumbs up down by the title. Add some comments, and I'll see you next time.